So today we've been running a sustainable packaging and intellectual property workshop at Brunel University London. What's been great about this is we brought in the 4IP network, West London Business, Brunel Law School and Brunel Design School all working together. What's really important about a university, we wouldn't exist without our brilliant students, and what's been great about the students that attended today from the MSc Integrated Product Design course and also the MSc Sustainability, Entrepreneurship and Design course. This shows great international students who are willing to attend a workshop, work with UK businesses to look at sustainability, intellectual property and crucially innovation and growth within the UK community.
I run a grocery business called Zero Waste Bulk Foods, and we supply homes up and down the UK with groceries in reusable packs that customers send back to us, and then we wash and reuse them. When we launched them, we thought it was, done. I thought I was going to have a couple of years runway. Of course, that's not been the case, and the bags are really not very fit for purpose. So I'm in a kind of process at the minute of discovery, and there's some great experts here who I wanted to meet, and very excited for this afternoon session.
We're looking hopefully in the few months ahead to work on some merchandising for our items that's going to be linked to our brand, which is going to be abbreviated as NSBH. And so today I just wanted to kind of see how it's best ways in terms of how to package, in terms of the materials, where it's sourced from, and just get some kind of good guidance and tips.
I've come here today because my packaging is sustainable and it's made out of coconut husk. So I'm here to find out how best I can repackage it so it's easy to open and easy to glue, and the labeling, how best we can make it stand on the shelves, basically.
The reason why I came here was because my supervisor, Rob, sort of recommended, as well as sustainability is a big aspect in our whole course. So I felt like it'd be quite interesting to come in and sort of get some insight in terms of how the industry works, as well as being able to work with companies and collaborate.
Well, in the world of pharmaceuticals, trying to find packaging that is sustainable is very, very difficult, because pharmaceutical packaging is generally single use. You can't recycle a medicine. They won't take it in your recycling box. So how do we overcome that challenge?
I came today because I really wanted to learn about sustainable packaging, but also learn about intellectual property and how the law coincides with when you're trying to build out sustainable packaging.
It's been really great to be here today, surrounded by all these entrepreneurs and businesses. We have been talking about sustainability and how to make packaging more sustainable, and also how to protect it with IP. So overall, really great to have such an interactive crew of people, and also so creative and enthusiastic.